To disable brief notification pop-up for a specific app in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, scroll down the screen, tap notification, and then tap notification pop-up style. While the notification pop-up style is set to brief, tap apps to show as brief. As the example, we will disable brief notification icon for WhatsApp. To do so, tap the blue on off switch next to WhatsApp to disable this option. When the switch turns green, it means that brief notification pop-up for WhatsApp has been turned off. Now when you have notification from WhatsApp, your phone will display the notification pop-up as detailed. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.